Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to a set of crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 407, technical analysis for crypto. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We'll want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and that bell, so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. So there's a link to our Twitter if you want to engage with us there. Jake, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Yeah, we're going to check out Bitcoin today, man. Yesterday was a wild ride, right? Andrew, OXT, please. Sure, man. We'll write that down, put it on the queue. Put it on the queue, man. Right on. So, on that note, let's move on and start looking at the technicals. What is going on? Market cap. We did move down slightly down yesterday. Today, again, we're still finding a little bit of that resistance. You know, we do have this bearish divergence that we're looking at short term and longer term. That are the culprits for that move down that we got, that shakedown. Right, and now we're trying to go back up slightly. Andrew, I have a leverage trade on Bitcoin at 18,020, so it needs to go up. 260 now. Congrats. Yeah, dude, yesterday we got to 260. I think two of the guys over here yesterday, Steve and Crypto Boomer, like they added like probably some of their family members to follow, just so I could get like a small boost to 260. That was pretty cool of them. Yeah. Growth has been slow, man. Yesterday was a tough day in general. Anyways, we had that bearishness, potential movement down again, waiting for it to take off. Will it play out? Dude, right now, I mean, we're still a massive bull trend, so there's a chance we could ignore it and try to go higher. Anyway, sitting at $493.47 billion. Yesterday, when we closed at 492, so we're slightly, like $1 billion higher than we closed yesterday, and 2 days ago, or the 17th. Then, we already opened the 19th for markets, so when I said today, or when I said yesterday, I'm referring to technical or real today, right? Anyways, spinning top. Looks like we want to go up. We still have 20 hours and 25 minutes to go. So a lot of time for things to get defined. On that note, what is happening with Bitcoin? Bitcoin dominance going up yesterday, 7.24%. Today going up still, 0.28%. Sitting at 67.26% of market cap. The price of Bitcoin at $17,910.80. Yes, we closed above. Yes, we managed to get above that 17,781 area, which was a key area for us to close above. I was a bit worried that we were not going to get there. We did get above, and right now we're opening above that area, which is extremely good. That means we do have a legit shot at trying to get to 19,496, and then from there is almost nothing to get to the 20K mark, right? So Bitcoin potential on track to hit 20K. Look at where we're at in the curve. We rejected it once more, right? Higher. So we are going higher still. Great, man, right? We're going exponential. So again, you gotta brace. When we go exponential like that, or parabolic, you gotta brace for a potential crash at some point in time. You never just go up without coming down, right? It's like here was one, here we flagged a little bit, then here was another one, then boom, down, right? Back here we had the same, look, we went exponential and then we crashed. So at least we're not going out from way down here this time, right? It could be a little bit more control right now. But again, at some point in time, we're going to have to come down. What is going on here? Let's see. We did pull back slightly down yesterday on that bearishness. We came and found support at 17,225. We actually hit 17,220. But that's where we have areas, and at some point in time I was like, man, maybe I should just exit, particularly because we were up here at like 18,500 and change, 18,489. So we're up on these levels, right? And that crash was over $1,000 crash. At the point in time I was like, man, I should have just gotten out. But my plan is not to get out yet. So I just executed according to my plan. I'm still waiting, dude. I'm still waiting for an out, right? I am seeing the bearish divergence. I thought we were gonna go like much lower, and I'm glad we didn't, because I probably would have triggered an exit. Probably here around the 100% retrace, right, of that equidistant rising channel that we had, right? This rising channel that we have here. So this yellow upsloping line, right? That would have probably been my exit if we would have just dropped lower than that. It would have been at 16,400. I would still have taken very nice profit in a lot of Bitcoin. But I'm not sure how. I didn't measure it, but it would have been a 6%, 7% drops, right? So it's not that bad for Bitcoin, right? Hey, Steve, how's it going, man? Anyways, closed and then moving up slightly. So very nice stuff. We don't have anything going on. We still have this bearish divergence. And that is about it, though, right? On that note, let's go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, look, we popped up. Here's where I was like starting to like, oh man, should I get out, right? I went on Twitter, on Discord, and I said, look guys, we're getting the pullback. And we did manage to recover much quicker than I had anticipated. I wasn't expecting for this to recover that quickly. And that is bullish, dude. Look at how much we pushed back up, right? So that is bullish. And yesterday we were talking about people starting to take profit at this level. That is what this was, right? A lot of people taking profits. There may be a lot of longs getting liquidated as well, but anyways, higher, lower, right? High, low, low, high. Even here, I think we still have this. Been up to here, man. No, here I didn't move it because I couldn't go from back here all the way to there because we had this island. But this one played down, right? And there was this flag that popped us up again. So that bearish divergence, right? We got to move down. We got it here, and then we got it here for reals. Right, a little bit more structured. Still with a lot of pushback up, right? And right now we're just recovering and going above this level, right? So again, very looking bullish on Bitcoin. Still, high. We reset a little bit of that oscillator, right? We're sitting bought at 68.35 on the RSI, which is okay. Could try to go overbought again. I would have loved to have seen this at least come to neutral a little bit and then pop back up. Probably with this large wicks we did wick this area, but still just sitting bought right now at 68.27. Sorry, one second, guys. Something's stuck in my throat. Anyways, coming in higher, lower, right? We had this flag forming. We broke it yesterday. We're live here. Like we hadn't broken it when we were looking, and then it just broke it. It just rose, right? We went off the air. We were like somewhere up here. We were trying to get up here. We had that massive crash. We had a nice bounce right now. Trying to flag. Again, right now it's just looking like consolidation up at this level, 17,900s, almost 18,000s. And it's okay, right? 18,000 is proving to be a tough psychological resistance right now because we've rejected it a couple times, right? What do we have here? We had the bearish divergence. We called that one live. Before I went off the air, that was the last thing I called. Yesterday I said, look, high, higher, high. We just created this bearish divergence, and it was a potential action to the downside. And right after I went off the air, that's why I went live and I said, oh, looks like divergence kicking in and, moved us down. Anyways, found support at the 20, right? 20. We broke below 20 with negative momentum, which is fine. Right now, we're trying to get above that area. Right now, struggling. I think we're slightly below, or we're sitting right at the 20. Look at that. It's right at the 20. Smack there. And throughout the day, we created this hidden bullish. Right? So I was looking for this when I was trying to determine whether or not it should stay and play the Bitcoin game. And I did. That's part of the reason that I didn't exit. I was trying for those divergences, right? So it's good. All's good here, man. Just neutral at 54.67. Trying to hold support here. We might try to hold support here at 17,781 if we are to move down. Look, we've held it at support here, then open there and burst. All right. So again, we know it's a valid support and resistance. That's it for Bitcoin, man. I'm just really waiting for the next move. It seems as though we're getting a lot more chop, right? It looks choppier and we were down here. Yeah, we were down here, right? Or here, right? But it's good, man. It were like, you know, we're consolidating at this level still, which is fine. It gave a lot of people to get in at 17,220, right, and to take profit at this level. So it's a small pump, but it's good for some, right? On that note, let's move on to Ethereum. Ethereum at $478.14. Again, we had the bearish divergence. We moved down, spinning top. Oh, a little bit high. I would like, it's not smack in the middle, right? We did bullishly push back up a little bit more, but it's a very, very small candle body. Bearish divergence, red, and now red still today. That is fine. Neutral at bought at 63.79 or 63.92 on the RSI. This is good, right? We're waiting for some consolidation to happen here. Again, Bitcoin is an uptrend, right? We could try to place a channel here, and we might be able to get something, right? I think we could go something like this. Something like that, maybe. All right, seems to make sense. 1, 2, bottom, right, respect for midline, here also, right, the support, resistance, support again, then support, and then bouncing, and then support near here, and then bouncing. So yeah, we could work with that upsloping channel. So that's fine for Ethereum right now. Again, bearish divergence. Moves down slightly. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Bearish divergence, right? Where are we going? Down. We move down. Now what are we doing down here? Low, high. Let's check this out. 235, 268, slightly more negative momentum. Lower on the RSI, so we are creating some of that magical hidden bullish divergence. Magically delicious, man. Look at this, 235, 265, so slightly more. Then also here, look at that, boom, boom. All right. Forgot to anchor this in the 4-hour, by the way. A little birdie told me that I forgot to anchor. There we go. Right on. So what's going on, man? What's in store? High, high, high. Positive, more positive. That's good. Now back here. Look at that, man. High, higher high. Right. And high to low. Right. So we have that strong bearish divergence. And move down on that. Trying to find support near the 20 once, twice. Again, this was congruent with Bitcoin's moves. With that said, we're trying to take a bounce, and that's great. I mean, Ethereum is performing extremely well. No complaints with it right now. So, neutral at 57.69 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. What's up, fake news? I think you're Spectre 9. Just going by the fake news. But what's up, man? How's it going? Thank you for being here. Now we're going slightly higher here, right? We were looking for that divergence, which we created, and we might still have here. I don't think we might have it against the RSI. Let's see, 72, 79, 73. We went slightly higher there, but, you know, we had the bearish divergence against the MACD, and we moved down to that. We were already looking for it yesterday, so, you know, it was just a matter of time. Pull back down. Try to go up, hit the 20. Rejection. What do we create here? What do we have, man? We have some of this magical hidden bullish divergence, right? Stuff that dreams are made of, and tears of like crying traders that don't know how to chart. That's what magic's made of, dude, right? All this magic is created by people that don't chart properly and get screwed. 44, 44.50, 44.18, it's less here, so that's fine. Again, we're looking for this to here. This one we can actually track down to here, right, into there. But against RSI, it would just be to this point. So we had that hidden bullish to that rally, hit the 20, rejected, came slightly lower, right, or slightly higher, sorry. Right. And then we're going lower, right, and here's higher. So we created still that hidden bullish and taking that rally again, right? So that's what's happening here. Yeah, same old XRP needs some Viagra. Yes, it does. It does need something to keep its power going, man. It's you know, XRP power waning now, right? It was doing so good, man. It had hit already the 30-cent mark. And then he's like, I'm too weak to hold it here. Take my hand. And then just like crashed. Slightly to 28 cents and change. I'm not sure where it's at right now. I haven't looked at it lately. But last night I was upset to see XRP go down so quickly. I was losing 4% yesterday at some point in time. More than the rest of cryptos. But again, it was pumping nicer also, right? So XRP is just a weird coin. It's just underperforming and you know, it should be doing better. Anyways, low, right? Everything else here is fine. Hidden bullish, getting that rally. Moving down right now slightly and see if we're going to get support and see where we go from there. That's it for Ethereum. Let's go check out XRP, man. XRP at 29.36 cents. What? Yes, we lost to 29.894. Sucker. Yeah. Look, man. Yeah. Look, this recovery. It's not as good as the other coins, right? So, and it sucks because we didn't have anything here. Look, we're coming higher, more positive, higher on the RSI. Everything was golden for XRP. Sitting over bought at 70.45 on that RSI. Let's go to 4 hour. Again, on the 4 hour we had this bearish divergence. We called it. And then we moved down, right? Down to 20. Found support. Trying to use it as support. Take a bounce. That's great. Now we are creating some of that magical hidden bearish. Oh, sorry, hidden bullish. What the hell did he smoke? Don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD. $1 in the year? Dude, a lot of people are asking about that. I'm not sure. And I'm not saying people are asking about that here. A lot of people are asking about that in general all over the place. Whether or not XRP is going to get to $1, man. Wouldn't it be nice if it got to $1? I mean, that would be 2018 prices. Look, let's go to the daily, man. Where was XRP on the big crypto boom, right? Look, 2018. Like, Bitcoin's already recovering to this area. Ethereum's probably halfway there. So, if XRP recovers decently, should be getting to at least February 2018. That will be around the dollar mark, right? So, yeah, could it go there? Maybe, dude. It's getting a lot of strength. It's getting a lot of support. It does have that whole thing where Flare Network's coming out, and it could give it a little bit of help, right? A lot of people might be interested in XRP because of Flare, just so you can claim some tokens, and that could have it alive and kicking, right? So we'll see. Anyways, 4 hour. Sorry. Hidden bullish, taking that bounce. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, look, we created the bullish divergence again. I charted this off the air. I did look at it earlier, man. I wanted to know whether or not I should exit a position that I have in XRP. And I was watchful, and I said, nah, it's probably going to bounce. And bounce it did, man. It didn't go as high as I wanted to. I wanted to get above 894 again. But it didn't. At least it got above the 20 on the 1 hour, which is fine. Again, we're looking for this hidden bullish here. Right, as we were live yesterday. And we didn't, right? We did go up, hit the 20, and then rejected it. Hardcore. Boom. Right. Again, congruent with Bitcoin. On that note, high, low, positive is positive, high on the RSI to lower point. Everything's good. Neutral at 49.78 on the RSI. Let's go check something else. Litecoin. What is happening with the Litecoin? It's been trading above the 200 since the end of July. Gonna make up a leg sooner or later. Yeah, it should. I mean, I can look at that actually. Before I actually jump on Litecoin, just give me one quick, brief second here. And look at the chart. Look at this magnificent chart that I'm going to show you guys right now. There we go. Again, I'm just messing around with accents and shit, so why not? Oh no, what is this sorcery that you have here? Well, I have Fisher first. And then I have a indicator that someone asked me to get, this divergence indicator. And it basically tells you when you have like hidden divergence and stuff like that, right? So I just haven't been tracing on this chart. I just use it for support sometimes to look at where we're at on the daily. So yeah, we are above everything on the daily, right? Let's see if we're about to get a good cross. What would be a good cross here? Looks like everything's good. The 20, the 10, the 100, 200. Right. We just got this weird cross here of the do I have my exponentials first or my simples? I can't remember in this chart because I rarely use this one, but let me see. Right, my simples. Right, so we just got a cross of the looks like the 100 simple going or actually the 20 simple going over the 100 simple. That's what it looks like. Probably weird that we got this move there, right? Because we got a faster going over slower, so we should be getting the opposite, right? A golden cross or something like that. Wonder if we'll get alt season like we did in 2017. I do believe for that to happen, Bitcoin has to stop running and give the rest of the market a chance to catch up. Anyways, that's it, dude. Yeah, it is above everything on the daily. Litecoin on the daily. Bearish divergence moved down, didn't recover as well as XRP, right? It lost 3.83%. It didn't recover as well as XRP or the other projects in general. Today, trying to recover a little bit more, that's fine. We had the divergence against the RSI, not against the MACD. Against the MACD, we had it here. Moved down, took that bounce, and created the divergence against the RSI. Moved down, sitting bought at 68.68. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. What's going on in the 4 hour chart? High higher. Coming lower and lower here as well. Bearish divergence, right? We called that one live yesterday. We were live here, and then crashed down soon after. Hit a 20, right? Again, one of the targets that we should call for, the 20 moving average as support, taking a bounce. Great, awesome stuff here. Let's see, 0.30, 0.35. What? Hidden bullish, just like the rest of crypto. What a surprise! Everyone's so coordinated. It looks like a Christmas party. Sitting bought at 62.01. Sorry guys, there's something like stuck in the back of my throat. It's just bothering me like hell, man. It feels like I'm getting a lot of drainage, dude, from like my nose. I'm not sure if it's allergies or something, but that's just annoying. Anyways, bearish divergence. We called that one yesterday, right? And look, we moved down since. That's great, man. They're great. 39 and 39.98, 39.32. All right, so low, high. Let's work with this. Let's work with this, man. Come on. Boom, boom, right? Look at that. Awesome. Strong. Bullish divergence. Pumping. Pumping again. Great, man. Hidden bearish, though. High to low. Low to high. Right? We don't have it against the RSI. Neutral at 53.17. But again, strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. Oh, no. Let's go check out Bitcoin. Sorry, not Bitcoin. Binance. What's going on with Binance on the daily? I wouldn't call this getting above the 20 strongly. It's just like, we're moving sideways and the 20 just happened to cross over us. So, or under us, basically. So, yeah, we basically got above the 20 support and holding support there at the 20 right now. Nothing happening here on the daily. Neutral at 47.78, that's it. Discord! You got to send me something on the Discord. Awesome. Shit, man. Crickets published on TradingView. Awesome. What do you want me to look at here, man? Sorry, I can't make this larger, but tell me what you want me to look at here, so I can see what's going on with XRP USD on Bitstamp today, I guess. So I'm not even sure what time from your low today. All right. Right on, man. Give me some north, because I'm not sure what line is this. Could be the 200 that you're talking about. 200. moving average on the 2-day chart. I'm not sure what your black line is because I'm not looking at your key, so I'm not sure what I'm looking at here. But give me an idea, and then I'll bring you back up, right? Meanwhile, I'll keep on doing the Binance coin. What is going on with the Binance? Anyways, look, we had this hidden bullish. Sorry, not hidden, strong bullish. To that nice pop, we went higher than everything. Everything was great here, man. Right? It was golden. Again, here it's slightly higher than here, so it's all good. Then we just moved down because the markets moved down. That's it. Trying to recover, trying to get above that 20, but failing. Let's go to the 1 hour. 2050, 200. Yeah, okay. 1 second though. Right on. So we had the bearish divergence, right? We were here last night, and then boom, went down with the rest of crypto again. Set just following the market, right? Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on our side, sorry, on the MACD to more negative momentum, then lower on the other side, right? So all good here, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side. That's it. There's really not a lot going on here right now. Let's see if from back here we can do something. What is this? What is this magic sorcerer here? Oh no. Do we have something? Yes, we do. Look, from here to here, we are making more negative momentum. Like it's and from here to here, we're definitely going higher, right? So again, we have some of that hidden bullish. Try to rally again. Felt to drop lower than the previous low, right? Interpret that as being bullish and continue to rally, getting above the 20, which is good. Now let's head to that 28.50 cent mark. Binance has been underperforming the market lately because it's just moving sideways for a while. But just to be fair, Binance, it's close. I think it's after Bitcoin closer to its all-time high, right? Because Binance all-time high was here at like $43, and we're sitting at $28. At some point in time, we even hit $33. We were like $10 away. Anyways, Spectre came and said he's looking at the sent one day. All right. It's not arrived, good sir. Let's look at this one though. So he's in the 2-day chart, 1-day chart. Sorry, that's the one. Haha. Anyways, all right. So your more mellow line, right? How do we know what's what? By the way, I'll tell you guys. Whatever's closest to the chart is usually the fastest time frame because it's lesser averages, right? So you can see that the reddish line here, it's very likely he's 20. And the black line here, that's a little bit more subdued, would be his 50. He's not using the 100, and that's okay. But then he's using the 200, which would be the green line here. And again, much more subdued than the rest, right? Because since it takes much more time scaling to average, it is it gets compacted, right? There's so much more data going in there that it's more averaged down. And then the other lines, since they're faster, that you move closer to the actual targets. That's why I use the 20, because the 20 gives you very quick bounces. Because it's just look at the last 20 periods, right, to average it, so it's closer to where you're at. And then the 200, it takes the last 200 periods. That's why it takes a lot longer for it to catch up or move up and down as we're moving, right? Anyways, I'm looking at your fibs. I'm not sure why you have fibs up here, right? I know you have 100 here, but I'm not sure where you put your 0 at because you're looking at the 236 here. So I'm not sure why you have a fib up here. I'm not sure why you are fibbing here, man. I'm not even sure if I should be looking at that, but yeah, you are above that 200, and you are getting that bounce, which is okay. I'm not sure how much higher you want to go over the 200. You want to do something like that? I'm not sure, dude. Look, here we're over the 200. Here we're over the 200. We didn't get that massive bounce. Here we're over the 200 slightly. We didn't get that massive bounce. Here we're over the 200. We're getting a bounce. Could it go as high as it did back here? Maybe, dude. But again, look, Bitcoin didn't drop to these levels, man, right? Like this level here is almost a flat line. Look at where it's at, the price, right? Same price as prior to the run of 2017, but Bitcoin came from much lower, right? So, something I'm looking at as well. Anyways, I'm not sure why your fibs are there, man. But, I think you're looking at this in log scale, right? That I found the 0, by the way. It's down here. We're looking at this in log scale, and we haven't done a valid retrace to get 236, which it's the beginning of the retrace zone, right? From there, we should be going to the 382, and then the 50, and then the 618. So, in all fairness, if we do manage to retrace to get 23.6%, we could be definitely looking at a bounce here or here or here. Sorry, dude, it took me a while to like see the zero because I thought you were using linear. I usually use linear. A lot of people like logarithmic scale. That's fine. I use log sometimes just to look at different perspective. But linear for me works about the same. So for me it's just either or. But it just took me a while to understand that you were looking at linear here. And I noticed it once. I noticed that the numbers were getting closer and much faster rates, right? So the gaps here were larger. So it took me that a little bit longer to look at your fibs. But yeah, it's cool, man. Awesome. Let's move this to the side in case you send me something else. Oh, you did send me something else. Magic, man! I tell you. Right, 200, the 50, the 20. Everything's good. What is your green incline? What is your green rising line here? Because I'm not getting it. You had like sort of triangle pattern. We're breaking out of it. That's great. Have you taken a measure move? And your triangle. Just I would say that in your triangle, you should maybe anchor it from here. From zero. From where you have your zeros set up. That way you have one touch point here, one touch point here. You'll still be looking at a breakout. That'll be fine, right? But yeah, if you're looking at a symmetrical triangle, it's breaking the upside still. Again, charting, it's just very, it's up to everyone, right? So your interpretation could be different. A lot of people will say you have to go from one to the immediate one next, right? So you're looking at a line going on like that. Then your line should be going in here, right? Crossing this line. Then this should be a fake breakout, maybe to the downside with recovery. Again, it's different interpretation for everyone, right? So, but it's still cool, man. Let's do DVT, man. Let's see where DVT's at. Oh, what? 2.9 sats? What is this craziness, man? It did manage to go all the way up to 3.2 sats. Man, it went wild, dude. Someone bought a lot, or someone removed a huge sell wall that was here at about 1 million. Now it's just gonna take get to 5.2. It's gonna take 1 million DVTs. Wow. Dude, I haven't really. Let's check this out. What do we have here? Look, boom, boom. Right, that's one. Sideways here, right? So we're looking at the strong bullish, and we also have it here against the RSI, which is awesome. Right, some strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. Got that nice pop. Finally doing something high, higher, high, positive, more positive, high on the RSI to a higher point. Nothing else, dude. Nothing bearish. Awesome for DVT, and take that massive pump here from 2.1 to 3.2. If you would have bought in here or here at 2.0, you could have gotten 100% return or 50% return. Sorry, in a very short amount of time, dude. Wow, what a nice pop here. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Low, lower, and then I'll just anchor from the same points here. Low, higher, bullish divergence, rally, felt a drop. Take that next step, man. Awesome. Do we have something bearish? No, we don't. Higher. Positive, high on our side to a higher point. Here we do have other positive demands, particularly this one. So, nothing short term. Let's go to the daily. The daily Oman, it's taking a small pump, which is fine because we had this bullish divergence. It was just failing to really take off. And I'm glad to see that it's starting to take off a little bit. And with that, price action to the upside right now, moving down slightly. Let's see if we can recover and get to that 6.0 by Christmas. By Christmas Eve. On that note, let's go check out something else. Spectre, did you delete your charts? You should have just left them there, dude. They were good. They were nice charts. Let's go and look at Cardano. After Cardano, we'll do XT, dude. I haven't forgotten about you, Andrew. You have not been forgotten, man. No man left behind. Yeah, you leave the charts, man. That's fine. It's it's a place where we can all share knowledge and ideas, right? What do we have here, dude? On Cardano, bearish divergence, move down, right? Wicked at 20, that's fine. Spinning top. Yeah, it looks like he wants to move up again, but really seeing a lot of indecision on Cardano. Neutral at 54.74. And again, it's just on the line of sideways motion. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. What's happening there? Bullish divergence. Boom, we'll call this one out. Actually to the upside. Great. Then what happened? We flatline. And then we moved down with the rest of crypto. Great, man. What happened here? Dude. It's all too close. But here, it looks like we're going more or less sideways here, which I'm just going to call that for this exercise. And just to show that we had some bearish divergence, right? Because we did. We did get that bearish divergence from here to here. That from here to here. How much sideways? Let's see where we closed here. Close 11.12.07, 11.12.13. It's slightly higher, actually. So if we also want to get very, very picky, this will be strong bearish divergence. I'm just calling it medium, and it still has the same effect. Moved us down. Right now we got above the 20 quickly. That's great. Now low to high, negative, less negative, low to higher point on the RSI. It doesn't have that hidden bullish that a lot of the other crypto coins had, but it is okay on Cardano. 51.58 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oh, did I forget to anchor this? No, it's from the 1 hour. What? Were we calling already this divergence yesterday? Yes, we did, man. Bearish divergence. Action to the downside. Look, we're here live. And then we felt to go higher in the previous high, and then just crashed. What? With the rest of crypto. And we created some of that magical hidden bullish divergence. Yay, dude. Don't have it against the RSI, that's fine. Then every time we're just higher, so that's fine. I'm not going to call anything bullish here. But we have that hidden bullish, and that's what's partially getting us above the 100%. Right, the old 100%, that's from way back here. Oh, no, it's too much data that we have to load, but here. Right, so I'm just using it because we used it as support before in resistance, and I just kept it there, and it still seems to make sense. So that's where we're at, and right now we're breaking below it, heading for that 20. Not a lot going on though, right? Had a low, positive is positive, high there, so to lower point, neutral at 49.89. Let's go check out OXT, dude. What is happening with oxytocin? First of all, let's find the chart that we've looked at before. Have we not looked at this in September 20th? I'm not sure. Let's look at this chart. Yes, we have not looked at this in September the 20th. What? What is this madness? Look, from low to high, again, we're hitting that, we retraced deeply, right, to that 786. It looks like we want to take a bounce and try to get above that 786, but we just rejected it yesterday. Wow, wild. Moving down on that. Wow. What do we have? Let's see. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to lower point. Nothing bullish, dude. Right, again, low, high, positive, more positive, high there to a higher point. Nothing bearish here. Just rejection at this area, right? We could be taking a breather. It went up too quickly. 16.90% yesterday gains. Right now, it looks like he just wants to, pull back a little bit. It would be nice if it started a new run on its own, right? Getting above this area and start heading to that 618 at 35 or 36 cents. We might have something here that is bullish in the 4 hour, right? From here to here. Look at that. We do. Right, so we started this on the 4 hour. We didn't start the fire, man. from here and from here to here, right? Sorry, got sidetracked there for a second. Right on. So higher, positive, more positive. That's great. Now to higher, positive, more positive. That's great there. Let's see what else. What else? What else? Short term here. Bearish divergence of the hidden kind. Hidden bearish divergence of the third kind. Close encounters of the third kind. That's that's the name of the game. Anyways, bearish divergence. That's what we're moving down massively right now. Right? Hit bearish. What? Yes, dude. We're neutral on the RSI at 55.81. Do we have something here? What is this? 1.36411. Yes, slightly less than that negative. So low, lower, low. And then negative, less negative. Potential fraction to the upside on hidden bullish. Kind of above the 20. Nice bounce. We don't have anything bearish, and then we just broke down, right? We started to break down on this bearishness, though. We went up too quickly, and we got pullback, and then we got bouncy, and then, you know, getting that bearish divergence to kick in and moving us down. That's about it for this on OXT on the 4-hour chart, right? Anyways, that's it for OXT, dude. Let's go to the 1 hour, though. Let's see what we're doing here. High to low, high to low, high to low. That's fine. Low to high. Alright, so we do have some hidden bullish here. Right. We might get some stalling, dude. That's a good news. Alright, look at that. Some hidden bullish against the RSI. So we might stall around this area at 24.79 cents. Mighty number here for this coin. Ha ha ha. We create some bullish divergence here that started that rise, that rally, and like I said, dude, we didn't start the fire. It was always burning. Since the world's been turning, right? We didn't start the fire. Billy Joel, motherfuckers. Dropping some knowledge on y'all. I went to see him live on March, right as COVID was starting. My dad came into town. He went to go see the Billy Joel, and then we did, dude. You know, I was like prior to like everything just going like insanely weird, and like for borders start closing and everything. But yeah, I got to see Billy Joel on March. It was wild. It was a good concert. By the way, I don't know if you guys like Billy Joel or that type of music, but you know, I do. It was cool. Like the song? Yeah, like the song, dude. That's it for XT, dude. What do you guys want to look at? Let me know in the chat, and we'll look at it. We already did OXT, we already did ADA. Dude, I want to do RSR because we haven't done RSR today, and I'm taking a massive bidding there. Or ADA and RSR, why not? Dude? If you guys want to look at something, let me know, and we'll look at it. I know you'll have your hidden projects that you're ashamed of requesting, but don't feel ashamed. Just request a project. We'll look at it and make fun of it together. Kidding. Not kidding. Yes, kidding, not kidding. Kappa. Anyways, dude, my nose is going insane. MLN? Sure, man, we can do MLN. MLN is your guilty pleasure, Spectre? Is that your coin that you don't want people to know you're hodling? Why am I on the 1 hour, dude? I should be anchoring on the daily first, but I'm here already, so I guess I'm just rolling with it. Rolling with the punches, Captain. Look, bearish divergence, move down. Take a bounce. Great, man. We hadn't had anything here. And, you know, we started to break down slightly. Oh, no, bearish divergence. Low, higher, low, negative, more negative. Yes, very slight. So we created some of that hidden bullish post facto. Try to get above this area, and again, you know, it's all good here. Not too worried about RSR right now. Still waiting to hit my last exit. We did get close to it though. My exit be out here. We got very, very close. 22.14. I was looking for an exit at 22.7 or 2.27 cents. Right, that's it. Right now, it's sitting at 1.96. Let's go to daily though. MLN's not your guilty pleasure. All right, cool. Higher, lower, higher, right? Bought at 62.23. Nothing happening here, man. Again, starting to flag, which is fine. It just moved like the rest of crypto. And I'm waiting for it to recover a little bit more. Dude, this got very, very close to my exit, dude. I'm wondering whether or not I should have taken this. If I missed here anything, it could be that I would have hit it, and I should have taken it. But we have hit all the areas that I've called for so far, so I'm happy. Here we get close enough, right? Here we could get another bounce right after resting for a couple days, maybe, and get above this area, and then head over here, and that would be much better, dude. If I see that this is gonna go stronger above, I could be waiting to exit up here, or maybe just see how it's gonna behave. I'm not gonna talk myself out of it. It's taking me a while to recover from here. I got in here way over here on the August the 31st, and I've just been suffering this for being a dumbass and not listening to myself. 4 hour, we had the bullishness, right? And though we rallied on that, that's great. Nothing bearish, dude. High and then low, right? And then low and low. That's fine. Neutral 59.93. So it's all good here. ANKR, awesome. Anchor to USD. Tether, Binance. Sure, man. We'll look at that. Now let's do MLN. Million, or whatever. I'm not sure what coin is this. We never looked at this. Why? Since you didn't request a pair, I'm just gonna look at it on the dollar against Kraken, I guess. So I hope that works for you, man. All right, so it's not a new project, sorta, right? Has data. It's data rich. Low, lower, high. So high, lower, high. Dude, this is what I'm looking at right now. Dude. Let's anchor this in the daily. Anchor you to the daily, man. There you go. And here we go as well, right? Look at that. Bearish divergence hidden. Move down, hit the 20 support. Try to bounce, fell to go higher than the previous high. Hit the 20 again, support. Try to bounce, held to go higher than the previous high. Broke below 20, trying to recover higher than the previous high. That's fine. And now we're creating some strong bearish divergence against the MACD. Right, look, we're coming in higher here on the short time scale, and then we're coming from here to here. This didn't seem to have suffered from yesterday's crypto move, which is weird. $22.92 for MLN. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Weird. Why am I looking way back there on the time scales? It's not going to affect us right now. Yeah, I know. Kind of want to get the flow for this project. Looks like we went from here to a slightly higher point. Alright, so from here to here. Even if I anchor from back here, this is much more negative on the next island. And, some hidden bullish, right? Here we had strong bullish to that pump, then we create a hidden bullish for this new rally. Things we're also creating that move here, right? So price action to the upside. I'll go with this one from here. So in that rally now, high, lower high, that was fine to hear because it was less positive. Lower on the other side. Now we're definitely going higher. So we're gonna have this in two different ways, right? Two different ways, man. One's from here to here, right? Short. And then the other one is from the previous island where we should really be anchoring to there, right? So that's what I was looking at there. And let's see here. Here's going higher, so it's fine. And then the short time scale is also going higher. So everything's good against the RSI. Just against the MACD that we have this, right? So it is strong bearish divergence. There's a chance that we could go down. First way that we would be negating, this managed to go higher on the price. And the MACD goes higher than this previous high. That would be negating it at least on the shorter term, right? But we still have it against the previous island. And we just need to pump a lot more to get rid of it, right? So again, just be careful. So on the 1 hour. Coming in high here, right? On the 1 hour chart for this project, MLN. Here we're going higher, but look, here we're coming lower. Bearish divergence strong. The 1 hour looks very choppy, so I'm not sure if this was like an anomaly, but it is the previous high that we have, and I'll just anchor from there. If you wanted to, and if you wanted to ignore this, because it is a positive momentum that we have here, and the only positive momentum that we have here, you will be anchoring from here or here, right? And look here, we have strong bearish divergence, right? From here. We don't have it against our side, but then if you really want to anchor from one island to the next, we'll be going from here to here. And then we'll be going from here to here. And then said, look, man, strong bearish divergence, right? I just don't like going over the data. I'm going to raise that one over there. And that's how we'll be playing this, right? So there's bearish divergence on the shorter term and then on the larger time scale as well. And we're seeing bought at 65.93, right? So I'll just start to be careful with this. If you have a position open, I will be thinking about placing a stop loss. Could it still run to the upside? Yeah, dude, it could still manage to come higher and then raise a little bit more here and maybe here and try to get rid of the divergence that it has. But right now it has it, and right now I'll be a little bit more careful with this project, right? I'm not so familiar with it. I was trying to get the flow for it. But we do have some bearish on the 1 hour. Then some bearish on the 4 hour, and the 4 hour we haven't moved down yet, right? Again, bearish divergence does not mean we're going to crash, does not mean it's going to go to hell, it just means we're going to move down. And I haven't seen that movement down yet on the 4 hour. So on that note, I want to go check out ANKR. ANKR to the USD Tether on Binance. Here we go. 0.7 cents, 0.78 cents. That's what this coin's gonna do here on the daily. Alright, so first things first, right? Bullish. Strong bullish divergence, Captain. Here we go. Right on. So on that we managed to rally. That's great, man. That's great, man. That's great. Oh, high, low, high, low, high, low. Everything's good here. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, there. Hit to lower point. Everything's good back there. Great stuff, man. I do believe we might have some bearish divergence here, and I'm just gonna confirm it though. 366 229. Awesome. Yes, slightly lower. Sometimes his eyes be deceiving me. Yar. And then I gotta look at the numbers. Bearish divergence. Moving down to that. Low, high. Low, high. It's all good there. So nothing bullish here. Take that small pop and had a low, possible positive high, and there's a lower point. Right. That's about it. We might have created some strong bullish here on the 1 hour. I'm gonna go blind here, and look, I'm gonna send that to the 1 hour. Sorry, to the 4 hour or the 1 hour. We'll see. We might have created some bullishness here. On a move here. I'm just gonna be sending that again to those time scales, and we'll see whether or not I'm right. Are we right? Let's go to the 4 hour. Oh snaps! Where is that? It's back here. Yes, we are right. Haha. I mean, not spot on, but the move is there, right? Low, lower, and then low, high, right? So we have that strong bullish divergence, and we also happen to have it against the MACD. Great. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, and there, side to a higher point. All good here. Short term, though, here. Bearish divergence. What? Yes. Where? Here. Here, man. Let's anchor this to the 4. I don't care about this in the 1 hour. I just want to look at the previous time scale, which in this case was the 4 hour in the daily. low, and then high low as well, right? Isn't it weird how sometimes you can just like look at the chart, and although you know you're not looking at anything on the daily, you know something weird happening on the smaller time scales, and just from looking at so many charts, I guess. Low, lower, negative. Dude, I'm gonna have to zoom in here. Zoom in, Captain. Oh, what is this? 112, 119, slightly more negative. So I'm not gonna call anything there. Are we dropping more? Yes, we are slightly dropping more, right? You can see there's a small gap there. It's just happening right now. So we'll go from here to here. Then from here to here. It said, look, I'm going over the islands. I don't like it. They're very small, dude. They're almost negligible. I'm going to ignore them and say that we're creating some strong bullish. And I'm going to be looking for bounce. Shorter time scale might have something here. 36.58. 37, slightly higher here. Right soon from here to here. Sorry, guys. I started to itch. The cure for the itch. Here we go, right? So there's that potential for action to the upside. Now let's go to the 1 hour chart. Higher, more positive, higher on the RSI. It's all good there. Low, lower. It's right there. We have some bullish divergence here. Strong bullish. I haven't looked at the chat, by the way. I think there's nothing going on since Anchor was requested. So if I'm being all off today, man, it's been a weird day. Heavy day. I'm super tired. Like my brain feels like it's burned. I was gonna say heavy office day. 30.11, 30.43. Slightly higher. So we're creating some strong bullish. Taking the bounce. Oh no, we failed. Why? Because we created some hidden bearish. What? Yes. That was your father's college friend's something roommate. The Schwartz is strong with you. Dude, I want to see Spaceballs. I haven't seen Spaceballs in a long time, dude. Such a good movie. Anyways, are we doing something? Yes, starting to create some bullish divergence. It's not all lost. We can find this bullish divergence. And we have it against the MACD and the RSI right now. But sorry, dude. I'll read that in a second. But just keep this in mind, though. We're starting to make this new negative momentum island. This will go on building sometimes, right? It's very weird when we have it just like a one, like here. This could go on building, right? So you keep on dropping slightly more, still creating that strong bullish divergence. And then Steve said, if it makes you feel any better, we had to run to the store after an alarm was tripped. That sucks, dude. What kind of store do you have, Steve? I'm gonna guess it's a fishing supply store or a hunting store. Anyways, Nose is driving nuts. Anyways, if you guys like what we do, I haven't said this on our stream, but if you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub. So far, it's a good stream. We've been live for about an hour. An hour on the dot. Probably because it's late, it just feels like it's much longer but than it really is. But it is a good stream, dude. I like it. You freaking wish. Okay, so I'm gonna guess it's outdoor goods store. All right, that's what I'm gonna guess right now. Andrew, what is Bitcoin resistance? That's a good question. Let's go look at Bitcoin. Steve, what's a myth? Bitcoin's resistance is a myth? The next resistance that I have charted, notice that I have said charted, but not charted, right? Like when you chart. Dude, I just feel so off today. Dude. I have it at 19,490. Look, 19,490, right? That's there. And then after that, I have 19,999. Bitcoin resistance is a myth. Yeah, dude, we're gonna party like it's 19,999 when Bitcoin gets there. Only support, yeah. You'll notice that resistance is not there. What was that line from the Matrix? Yeah, you meant support. Well, right now the most immediate support would be 17,781. Below that, 17,225, and they both have held on their own. Look at this. Yesterday we hit that right on the move down, 17,220. That we got here, and then we move slightly higher, right? Yeah, there's no resistance. Then you'll see that it's not the resistance that bends, it's only yourself, right? That's from the Matrix. That's the line I want to get. It's the Matrix kid, dude, talking to Neo, saying like, "Oh man, you don't bend. Go bend yourself, old man." Detective Charlock, hi. Can I look at the Diati Tether? Sure, man. No worries. Yeah, I'll look at that, man, for sure. Just give me one quick second, though. Just catching up with the chat real quick. So we bounced there. Yeah, it looks like we're trying to hold on to that, right? 17,781. Let's go here real quick. Just a little scare for your trade. That's fine, bro. Look, we're taking a bounce right now, actually. Look. On this movement down, we actually, the lowest point we've gotten, it's 17,772. We have the support at 17,781. So we're just a couple bucks off, you know, that's fine. We're in such huge thousands of numbers, right? That's a $10 hit or miss. It's almost negligible. It's like almost nothing. Friday will be a bloodbath. It depends on how high Bitcoin gets, I think. And a lot of people might be taking their money off the exchange, probably. We'll see. I mean, we'll see, right? Anyways, got a request for DIA. DIA into his hills, dude. We've looked at that before, sometime. But thank you for being here, Detective Sherlock. If you like what we do, hit that like that button, sub. Because why not? I haven't looked at the DIA in a while. At least since, dude, what was this? October the 6th. What? That's a long time ago. In crypto time, it's a long time ago. Did we create something here? We're looking for some kind of bullish divergence. I think 36, 35, slightly lower. It didn't manage to pull back down much more. So we didn't create that bullish divergence. We did manage to take a bounce, right? And we're looking for that to happen. So that's fine. What happened here is, although I just deleted it, we did come slightly lower here. Then we're from negative to positive, right? So we had that bullish divergence there, strong. We don't have data going farther back on the daily, so that's fine. Let's look at this shorter time scale. High to low, high to low, low to high, betrayal. We are creating some. Sorry, guys. Gotta just keep this on the daily, otherwise, I'm gonna be messing this thing. There we go. Look, we created some bearish divergence, moved down to that. That's awesome. How much lower did we go? We went lower than the previous low, which is fine, I guess. Low, too high. That works against the RSI. Low to high, and then from here to here, right? So we have that strong bullish. That got us to a 20, felt drop lower than the 20, and then we managed to get above the 20. Right now we're using it as support. Look, to be honest, it just looks like a lot of sideways motion for a while now. We're sitting at $1.15. I think that's what it looks like. $1.15, right? So looking at this, man, do I want to look at this as a sort of very, very large triangular structure that we're making? It could be, man, right? That we're looking at this insanely large and skinny looking triangle, right? That could be it, right? Like that. I want to change this to blue, just so we can keep track that it's a pattern that we're calling and not the resistances. Then we'll be able to see our yellow below there, but that's fine. It could be something like this, right? It's looking like a triangle, dude. Symmetrical, more or less. With maturity reaching December the 14th. I'm not sure it's going to go that long. Very likely break. All-time lows were here, man. At 92 cents. But again, don't have any more history going farther back. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. The 4-hour looks too choppy. Like that means that there's 4-hour trades, 4-hour time scales or time frames where there's no trades in this project. So it just makes it a little bit less reliable in the charting because it just makes it a little bit more awkward to get proper reads. Low to high, high, low, high, low, high, low, low to high, low to high, low to high. Everything's good here. All right. We're creating some hidden bullish though. Right here. Oh no! It wants to come in the color blue. Make yourself yellow. Oh, sorry, Captain. There we go. Binance chart looks slightly better, you think? All right, man. I'll look at the Binance chart. What you want? 1 second. Here to here and here to here. So we had some hidden bullish. Let's look if we have DIA open on another chart, man. I'm looking just to make sure I don't have it where I just don't have the stuff alphabetically ordered. DIA to Tether. Right on. Yeah, it looks better, man. Thanks, Sherlock, for the tip. No, we don't have anything against the RSI, it's fine. High, low, high, high, low, high, high, low, high, right? Everything's good here. I was looking for this bullish, hidden bullish, where we're trying to rally. The move would be to the 20, the very likely move. Seems like we're struggling to go higher right now. If we fail to drop lower than this previous low, we could be looking for that rally. Otherwise, if we go slightly lower, we could be looking to start to create some strong bullish divergence here on the shorter term. Against the MACD and probably against the RSI for this project, and maybe try to get that pump to 20. Again, sitting at $1.17. Let's go on the daily. Let's see if we have. We don't have any history going farther back again, so it's the same stuff. Low, lower, and then low to high, right? So again, that bullish divergence. I'll just trace it here, so we just have it in this chart again. That we had was real, and it's there also. So it's just getting confirmation, basically, to the fact that the strong bullish that we had against the RSI is fine. Again, like I said, we get above the 20 right now, struggling to stay above. High, low, low to high, creating some hidden bearish. Right, that's what's putting that pressure to the downside. I didn't see it earlier, or I didn't see it in the other chart. I'm seeing it on this chart. And look, high, low, higher point. Again, here we're fine. All right, so yeah, getting that pressure to the downside, heading for the 20. I already rejected one, still moving down. We might hit the 20 again. Try to go for a bounce here on the daily. In the 4-hour again, we have the hidden bullish that try to get us to rally, but still, you know, there was strong bearish here. Upon review of the play, we've noticed that there was this bearish divergence, strong action to the downside, move down to that. Create a hidden bullish, finding support, trying to go higher. Again, strong bearish would usually put more pressure to the downside. Right now we're going sideways, and on that sideways motion here on the price, right? Until we're coming from negative to less negative, and from a low point on the other side to a higher point, creating medium bullish divergence right now, right? And that would be a potential action for price to the upside if it were to close right there. Now, if it moves slightly lower, we're gonna start creating that strong bullish, and we'll see where we go. right? But right now we have this. Let's go on the 1 hour and see what's there in store for us. What's in store for us here, man? Right, so previous island, right? All these negative islands. So that means all any low here. So low to low. Right on. Let's keep this on the 1 hour. And from here to here, right? Strong bullish divergence against the MACD. Nothing against the RSI from back here or from the near term. So strong bullish. Actually to the outside, getting to the 20. We're weak to get above here. Let's see, 4, 5. Damn, that's why. That's the reason why. Hidden bearish divergence. We don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD. That would mean potential for price action to the downside. Probably why we're stalling and failing to get above the 20 strongly. Now this move down, if it fails to go lower than this previous low, right? This low here. Keep looking for that potential rally. Still continuing on strong bullish. Again, strong bullish usually trumps hidden bearish. Right now, hidden bearish is what's dictating the move to the downside. But again, strong bullish could come into play, kick in again, and rally to the upside, right? Wouldn't be weird. We've seen it happen plenty of times. Higher, positive, more positive. 9, 9, 9. Right. So this is all sitting at 9. So from here to here. And here we're going higher. So we were creating some of that weak bearish divergence. And we moved down on that still, right? We don't have it here against RSI. Yeah, bro, no worries, man. That's what we are here for. I hope you like the show. I haven't seen you here, Detective Sherlock. But if you like what we do, hit that like that button sub. I'm not going to do fibs for this, mainly because on the daily, we just haven't recovered. I don't think we made a valid retrace. But I'll just fib to confirm, but I'll ignore that large wick here. I'll go from here. High to low. Dude, damn, dude. I think that's close enough. I'm going to zoom in here. Try to get better accuracy. So I'm using the wick. I'll use the wick there. And I'll use the wicks on the bottom as well. This is the lowest point there. Haha. There we go. We've hit that 236 on the 16th. And rejecting it, right? So we're rejecting the retrace. We really want to, from high to low, we want to see us retrace. So we retraced once here, failed. Retrace twice, failed. Retrace 3 times and we failed. We really want to see us at least hit that 382. All right, so it would be a potential target. Whether or not we're going to hit it, I mean, we could say that we've confirmed it as a local low, as we already made a retrace. Or we just really failing to take off and go higher, I said. If you like what we do, subscribe. Hit that like the bell. Or I'll take your crypto. Ain't that like what that kid says? Mr. Beast. I'll take your money. Or I'll take your phone. I'm not sure what he says. Anyways, dudes, yeah. What else you want to look at? Let me know in the chat. Join us on Discord. Links in the description. Join us on Twitter. Links also in the description. Crypto Boss Andrew. Anything else? Steve, anything else? Dude, Detective Sherlock. You want to look at something else? Let me know. Guys, I think it's going to be it for tonight, I guess. There's nothing else coming up, so. Steve's fading. Appreciate it. We'll be chilling. Yeah, cool, man. Yeah, come join us, man. We're live every night, so you can come chill with us. Usually we chill. Pretty hardcore here. But tonight, it seems like it's more or less that. I mean, I'm here so long as you guys keep on chatting. And since there's no chat going on, I think I'm going to be calling it a stream. You got in half in 88 waiting for a drop? Yeah, smart move. Bitcoin getting above 17,800. Great stuff. Let's see if XRP can get above 30 cents again. Guys, it's going to be it for tonight. Thank you for watching. Again, if you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and sub. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is State of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Wednesday night. I hope you had a great time. I hope you found the content educational and entertaining. Again, don't trade based on what you see here. It's all for entertainment purposes. Although we're talking about like real life stuff, but you know, you're responsible and liable for your own decisions. Make sure you're okay with the decisions that you make. You know how much you risk. Only you know how much risk you're willing to take. And that note, that's going to be all for tonight. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.